the landing page for your product, Amazon product on Google Ads, will be dictated by how good your search terms are. So what the hell do I mean by that? Well, if you are bidding on a search phrase whereby the person who is searching for that definitely wants to buy your product and definitely wants to buy it on Amazon, you should send them directly to your product page. Let's just show you what I mean by that. So let's just get rid of this. And let's say it is, gosh, I don't know, vitamin C serum, Amazon. All right, so vitamin C serum, Amazon. Anybody that searches for that, they want to buy vitamin C serum and they want to buy it on Amazon. So if I were bidding on that search term, let's just do a Google search, what I would be doing, so there's only one ad running for that, which is interesting. What I would be doing is sending them directly to my product page. So here's a direct to product page. So I'm on my product listing on the product page. There it is. All right, so that's a direct to product page. However, if instead they typed in just vitamin C serum, well, now I don't know as much about them. I know that they're interested in vitamin C, but I don't know if they want to buy some vitamin C serum because they haven't put a platform where it sells them in the search term. So they could be just looking for information about vitamin C serum. So the quality of the search has degraded. Therefore, sending them to your product page is not a good idea. Instead, when you've got lower quality searches like this, you should send them to a storefront URL. So storefront URL, that's pretty easy to do. To get one here, so let's just say it's vitamin C serum, that's our search term, I'll just take that for later. All I do is I go to who it's sold by. So for your business, it will be sold by you. It says sold by and then your business. Click on that. And then they're going to come to this page here, which is their seller feedback page. Then I go to their storefront, just there. And now I can tell I'm in their storefront because it says True Skin Naturals there. And now I put my search term in, vitamin C serum. So now what Amazon's going to do, it's going to search all of the True Skin Natural products for vitamin C serum. Let's hit search. And now I've got my True Skin products that are vitamin C serums. In this case, they've got 5 of them, okay? But that URL there now becomes my storefront URL, or that is my storefront URL, and that becomes the page. So this page here is where I send people to, because it's a lower quality search. It's a lower quality search. There's a whole lot of information on the back of that where it really does affect your SEO and your rankings and your what's called on-page conversion rates along that. But for now, that's all you need to know. If you've got a really good search, vitamin C serum, Amazon, that's a good search, straight to your product page. Anything less than that, send them to a storefront URL. Hope that makes sense, Elizabeth, and I hope indeed I am answering the right question for you. Oh, I am. Okay, cool. Thank you. Next up. This is a really important, actually, what I've just covered there, super important. If you're not advertising on Google AdWords, you're nuts. If you're not doing, I mean, look at this. If you're not doing SEO for your products, you're nuts. Like, look, that's all SEO. That's all free business for them. That's all free marketing, absolutely free. So if you ain't doing that, you're crazy, because it's all free money. It's just free money. And so few people do it. I mean, in this one, vitamin C serum, that's an extremely competitive niche. You're up against extremely savvy marketers, but most niches are not like that. Most niches, you're up against folks in China who haven't got a clue about any of this stuff. They just put their product up and rely on having a cheap price. Well, that's only going to get you so far. So if you want to just kick their asses, and you should, of course, that's one way you can do it. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.